Dealing with carpenter ants in your bathroom? Oh, it's a battle, all right. Those tiny invaders can sneak in and cause a real mess if you're not careful. But don't worry, you got this. We are bighomeprojects.com, and we help connect homeowners with trusted contractors and help provide work opportunities for contractors. We're going to walk through some practical steps to send those pesky ants packing. Number 1. First things first. Find and fix any leaks. Carpenter ants love moisture, so dry up those drips around sinks and showers before they turn your bathroom into an ant paradise. Number 2. Seal those entry points. Grab some silicone caulk and take a tour of your bathroom. Look for cracks around windows, doors, and baseboards, and seal them tight. Ants are sneaky, but you're sneakier. Number 3. Keep the bathroom clean. Ants will chow down on soap residue or toothpaste spills like it's a 5-star meal. Regularly wipe down surfaces and switch to pump dispensers for soap to cut down on residue. Number 4. Try ant baits. Set out bait stations where you see the most ant activity. The ants take the poison back to their colony, and over time, you'll see their numbers dwindle. Number 5. If you're into natural remedies, diatomaceous earth is your friend. Sprinkle it around baseboards. It dehydrates ants but is safe for humans and pets. Add a spray of peppermint oil mixed with water for a fragrant ant deterrent. Number 6. If all else fails, call in the pros. Sometimes DIY just doesn't cut it, and pest control experts have the tools and know-how to handle stubborn infestations. They'll assess your home and offer tailored solutions, ensuring those ants are gone for good. Number 7. Regular maintenance is key. Keep an eye out for new leaks or entry points every few months. It's like flossing, annoying at first, but totally worth it in the end. If you need more help or want to find some trusted contractors to tackle the issue for you, check out bighomeprojects.com. We can connect you with pros who know how to deal with these critters effectively and efficiently.